What's up, guys? This is John with Stupid Monkey Hydrographics. Let me first say, wherever this may end up, be it TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, wherever, this is a BB gun. Right there. Put the BBs in right there, and it says BBs only. As you can see, it's got a small, very, very small chamber. So, again, this is a pump BB gun. So, I'm going to completely break this thing down, prep it, paint it, dip it, and this is going to be like a 4-part video, start to finish. I'll walk you through, so I guess we'll get started by breaking it down. We've got a couple various screwdrivers, little magnetic tray to hold the screws, nothing fancy, so let's see. Yes, I've checked, it is empty. There's no air in the cylinder. There's no BBs in it. sure when I'm gonna dip it in yet. I got a bunch of stuff laying around. Lightning bolts, skulls. I got a bunch of different camos. I've got some crazy graffiti looking stuff. Just, I don't know. Open suggestions, hit the comments, wherever this ends up at. I've got another one coming where I do all the prep, getting it ready for paint. It's the boring stuff, but it's the actual work of it. So if you're interested in stuff like that, stick around, watch for part 2, 3, 4, however many I take till I get done, completely finished, put back together, firing again. But this is the start of it, getting it broke down, getting everything ready to clean so we can prep and get everything else done. So